meet the silver ball. So the silver ball is slightly smaller than the gold ball, as you can see. And its grain density is slightly thicker, giving it more of a dense feeling. So where the gold ball is a little softer to breathe into, this one gives a little pushback. Great for the legs. It's also great for the spine. We don't recommend it as a beginner to roll the sternum or in the ribs. You want to, make sure that you really have your technique down, only because it's denser and we're not about hard into, fragile areas. We always want to be very careful. But this ball is very versatile. Love it. It's great. It's going to give you that deep tissue feeling. Great for cross fibering. Check out the silver ball.